only thing you can do in PLC to kind of do the same thing is to like force on inputs, force off outputs. And then generally everything moves so fast that the only way you can see what the program's actually doing is if you put counters in there. And then you can see, okay, that did that one time, that did that one time, that did that one time. Okay, all the things executed like I thought they were going to. Okay, so this is going to be the addition math that's going to count up. So go ahead and go back up to the top of the program. So what we have right now, but as of right now, we're only stacking to like one pallet.
Okay.
Because you only have, you know, the positions maybe for one pallet, and you only have the registers for one pallet.
Oh,
So right now we're only doing the programming for the one.
Okay.
So now we're going to trial this and see if it works, and then from there we can do pallet 2's logic. So we'll just kind of forward through this program.